Now, look, we've been sent this. It's a eco-friendly, portable, disposable, cardboard lavatory for use by the side of the road. The idea is you drive along, you get caught a bit short, can't find the nearest carsy, you pop this out, erect it and do what you have to do.
Are you about to tell us you have been caught short?
No.
Because I don't think you should...
No, I'm not. I was going to say that we shall give this a fair test on Top Gear by giving it to the world's most practical man, which is Clarkson.
What, you want me to build it?
I do.
Oh, God, I hate this sort of thing. Where's the instructions?
Have you ever noticed, watching him do anything practical, it's like watching an orangutan? Oh, it is. But look at his face. Honestly, look at his face. It goes all...
very long.
He's happy, but confused.
They actually put a picture of Jeremy on the bag load, showing you how to assemble it.
These instructions, look at these. They bear no relation to the, like, as always, to the thing that they're supplied with.
See, look, he's doing the ape thing.
And bear in mind, you have to erect this, well, basically, desperate for a number two.
Well, I was going to say...
With lorries going by. Could you erect this while you were touching cloth? You can. See if you can get that erected.
I'm prepared to bet that that question has never been asked on any other car show ever. She's good.
How have you done that? She's bloody done it, look. No, that was it. How did you do that? Look, she's made a lavatory. You did what? She's a female. So you just put that up at the side of the road.
There's no need to demonstrate! How did you think that was going to go? How did you think that was going to work? You great chunky ape.
Do you know what, honestly, I'd rather just crap myself.
I think I just did. Yeah. Can we move on?
I'm not the world's most unpractical man.
You are.
I am, actually. You're right.